Many ever lived her life out loud with her sunshades on, ever singing a song. Minnie married to a middle-aged man, didn't marry for love. She was happy enough, she said. You-hoo, am I doing it right? I said, Minnie, you are a fading light. Minnie drives with a bright smile on, lets her curls hang down, they speak volumes of fun. But honest eyes complied in a lie, she was incomplete, she was starting to die. And she said, uh-oh, am I doing it right? I said, Minnie, you've gotta set things right. And as we drank some wine and watched the sun go down in the back room, Minnie said what she had to say. Now her husband's gone, he didn't touch her anyway. Single mom reignites her spark, Minnie's holding strong. Her noose is gone and she said, ooh, I can feel it again. And you woman, she said, need not pretend anymore. And like wide-eyed teens, we set our spirits free. At the windowsill against her soft back skin, and I wanted to tell her more, but I never did. And I wanted to give her more, but I never did. And I wanted to love her more. Those fears, Minnie scared me off. It was a step too far. I couldn't see what we had been, just a fling run thing, but I had set the scene. I said, I can't commit to this. She said, after tonight we can just be friends. And as the Galway sky let the sun pass by in silence, we drank our last red wine and watched the sun go down and said goodbye. And Minnie's happy